Just telling you a little bit about what we do. We are specially focused on hair extension and hair loss. We are here to help women with finer, thinner hair find their best self and their highest self. We have different methods and different ways that we can help you with, and we are here to help. So I have over 20 years experience in this field, and me and my team have collectively many experiences with different salons, different brands, and different methods. And always say one size doesn't fit all. So we are here to get our experience together and gather and see what you need and serve you the best on that way. We offer 7 methods of extension. So we have several different ways for hair loss and several things to help you regrow your hair and get your healthy hair back. For everybody's different, so that's why we set up a consultation and we go over your needs and your wants and we offer you a solution. So I am here right now to talk about a few methods and a few things that we offer, and then after that we go over a questionnaire of how to take care of it and how the process works.